Setting up a self-managed super fund. Trustees and directors play a critical role, and there are specific steps to ensure compliance. Who can be a trustee or director? First, ensure they're eligible and understand their responsibilities. Every trustee or director must 1. Consent in writing to their appointment. 2. Sign a trustee declaration within 21 days, confirming they understand their obligations. Keep these documents on file for the life of the SMSF and for 10 years after it winds up. Non-compliance can result in penalties, and all trustees are equally responsible for following the fund's rules. If you're becoming a director of a corporate trustee, you'll need a director identification number. Apply online through the Australian Business Registry Services. This ID is yours for life and can only be applied for by you. Trustees and directors are the backbone of an SMSF. Follow the rules, stay compliant, and keep your fund running smoothly. Visit trustee.com.au for guidance. Reach out to us on our number 02 9684 4199 or email at sales@trustee.com.au. Stay compliant, stay confident.